Well, many homes now have damage as a result of those strong winds coming through Westmoreland County yesterday, including this home behind me that now no longer has a roof. A tree uprooted, the roof dangling off the side of this home, and several other Derry Township homeowners left with a mess to clean up.
Over half our stuff's cracked because it ripped it out and just smacked it against the other trailers and all that fun stuff. So we had to pick it up from clean down on like 2 trailers down.
Tree branches down and skirting off and just things blown everywhere.
Both Diane Snyder and Amanda McDonald have damage to their homes in Dogwood Mobile Home Park. It all happened yesterday during the storm. Derry Township Fire Chief says they had about 18 calls in under 3 hours. And one of those calls was for a mail truck with a tree on top of it right here in the mobile home park. Another here along Pine Street where a roof blew off of a home.
It rolled like a sardine can. It was all rolled up when we got here. It just rolled back across the roof.
Then just up the road from that on Route 982, this tree uprooted.
Oh, we had the wind yesterday. We call them a ridger. It comes off a Derry Ridge, and it's just like a straight line wind. It just comes across. It was just unbelievable.
Unbelievable wind causing some chaos.
We're up against the ridge too, so we get the wind that kicks off there. But usually we do get some wind, never this bad though.
And I'm told by both the fire chief as well as Westmoreland County dispatchers that no injuries were reported, thankfully. Reporting from Derry Township, I'm Tori Yorkie for Pittsburgh's Action News 4.